Hello lettering friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to your Instagram videos. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is open the app over. It is a free app. And click on the plus sign down here. And then there's all different things you can open. Open the image directly that you want or the video. But my video is not square for Instagram, so I am just going to do a white background, and then you can choose the size, and it has all of these sizes for you. So here is the Instagram square, and then down here is where you have all of the different things that you can add to this canvas. So you can add an image if you just want to add a watermark to the image you're going to post on Instagram. You can add text, graphic, shape, and video. So I'm gonna first start with my video. So I'm gonna come in here and let's do this one. And you can choose if you want the volume on or not. I'm gonna take this volume off. And you can also edit. So if you wanna crop out part of the video. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on that, make sure it's selected, and with my fingers make it bigger to fit the square. So as I record videos, I always record them on the landscape side so that they can work for YouTube, and then I make sure that all of the action is happening in the square so that I can send it to Instagram. Once you have it where you want it, then you're going to add text and type in your handle, and then choose your font. Some of the fonts are not free and you have to pay, but there's lots of fonts that are free. I'm just going to do this one, and then you can resize it, and I'm going to change the color to black so you can see it. You can put it wherever you want. I mean, if you want to stick it like the very center, you could also twist it and put it on the side like that or something, but I normally just add it down here. Okay, so there's all of these different things you can do, but it's just that simple. And then click the check mark, and then this little box with the arrow. Oh, and also those three boxes is where you pull up the layers. So if you want to bring this, if you have multiple layers and you want to bring it to different layers, that's how you do that, or delete it. Click like that. Okay, so we are done with this, and then right here is where you save it. So I have had experiences recently of other companies stealing my videos and other artists, and it's really sad. And so one thing that we can do to make sure somebody knows whose video it is to add the watermark. It still doesn't stop people from stealing it, but at least the people who know you can see it and know this is not the person who owns that video. If you follow me on Instagram, you see that basically every post that I do is a lettering video. If you want to see more in depth on how I do lettering videos, I do have a Skillshare class all about it, and I will link to that below. It includes how I hold my phone, what apps I use, the lighting that I use, how I get the right angle, all the things of creating lettering videos. So if you are interested in that, definitely make sure to check that out below. And by the way, the pens I'm using in here are the Pentel Touch brush pens using the brand new colors. I have a whole video on those. If you are interested in seeing more of those, I will link it below. All right, I hope this quick tutorial helped you. If it did, I would love to see when you are posting your watermarked videos on Instagram. Tag me at Ensign Insights so I can see. And I'd love to hear if you have another way of adding watermarks. How do you do it? And I just want to remind you, the way you create today is exactly where you need to be. I appreciate you being here and subscribing to my channel. I will see you next time.